request all the dignitaries on the dais to step forward.
First, faculty and students. With the blessings of our Honorable Chairman, Dr. Kuppusamy Ayya, we have been gathered for Vibrantia 2025. This event celebrates the remarkable achievement of our students and faculty while strengthening the bonds that unite us as a community. On behalf of Cultural Committee, I extend a hearty welcome to our Chief Guest, Dr. M.A. Ajay Tangam, BHMS, Assistant Commissioner, Kuniyamuttur, Coimbatore City Police. We admire his enthusiasm and willpower. We have been honored to have him with us today. We welcome you, sir. We welcome the guest of honors, Mr. Karpura Sundara Pandiyan, IAS retired, Advisor, RBS Group of Institution, Mr. A. Pari, IPS retired, Chief Administrative Officer, RBS Group of Institution, Mr. P.S. Srinivasan, Executive Director, RBS Group of Institution, Mr. S. Balachandran, Chief Engineer and Trustee, RBS Group of Institution, and our advisors, Dr. Thamarai Selvan and Dr. Madhivanan sir, and we also welcome our CEO, Mr. Ramesh sir. I would like to extend a special welcome to our principal sir, Dr. Polservan, whose enthusiasm and dedication has made Vibrantia 2025 possible. Thank you, sir, for your leadership and support. I welcome our teaching and non-teaching staff whose dedication and support make this event possible. Last but not the least, I would like to extend a hearty welcome to our students of final year cadence for their unceasing enthusiasm for conducting this particular function. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all the students who have been gathered here today. Your presence is that which what makes the event possible today. We are being so grateful to have you with us. I hope Vibrantia 2025, this event will be an enjoyable one. Once again, we wholeheartedly welcome all of you to Vibrantia 2025. Thank you all.
It's time to felicitate our dignitaries. For this, we invite our Honorable Principal, Professor Dr. Pochilvan Sir, to honor our Chief Guest, Dr. V.M. Ajay Tangam Sir, with a shawl.
Now we invite Professor Dr. Shanmuga Vadivel Sir to honor Mr. S. Balachandran Sir with a memento. Please, sir.
Sir, to honor Dr. Madhivanan Sir with a memento. Dr. Pochilvan Sir to give the College Day Annual Report.
Good evening. With the blessings of our Honorable Chairman, Dr. K.V. Kuppusamy Ayya, I warmly welcome all the dignitaries on and off the dais, teaching and non-teaching faculties, students. Today is a day of great significance as we gather here to celebrate RVS Homadi Medical College Day. It is an occasion that holds a special place in our heart as it is allow us to reflect on the journey, achievements and the future of our medical college. At the outset, I like to state that RVS Homadi Medical College Hospital is a premier institution for impairing the homeopathic education in India under RVS Group of Institutions, established in the year of 2001 by our Honorable Chairman, Dr. K.V. Kuppusamy Ayya. It is approved and recognized by Ministry of Ayush and National Council of Homeopathy, New Delhi, and Tamil Nadu Dr. M.G.R. Medical University, Chennai. RVS HMC, located in Coimbatore, is spread over 200 acres, bordered by the scenery beauty, has attained the role of holistic education right from the start. Our vision is to train expert homeopathy doctor who will be the ambassadors of our rich culture and tradition. It is a provide value-based medical education in homeopathy aimed at molding homeopathy capable of proficient and competent inpatient care dedicated to the needy and the poor, and to propagate homeopathy, a safe, simple, scientific, economic, effective medicine for all. Our mission to develop this institution as a center of excellence in homeopathic education and research, best service to the society, to become a part and parcel of the national health care system. to showcase the strength and wealth of our alternative and complementary medical system to the modern world. I stand before you today with the immense pride to gratitude that we are able to achieve our vision and mission statement because of the collective dedication, hard work, and passion of every individual associated with it. Over the years, our medical college has grown from strength to strength thanks to the relentless pursuit of excellence by our faculties, staff, and students. Our commitment to provide top-notch medical education and healthcare services has resulted in a legacy of excellence that we are proud to uphold. The numerous accolades, research breakthroughs, and successful alumni are the testament to the caliber of our institution. I would like to take the moment to express my deepest gratitude to our faculties and staff members whose tireless effort and unwavering dedication have been the cornerstone of our success. Their passion for teaching, mentoring, and guiding our students is truly commendable. They are the driving force behind the transformative education that our students receive. The Tamil Nadu Dr. M.G.R. Medical University examination result of the last academic year, first BHMS 100%, second BHMS 100%, third BHMS 100%. We got 100% pass in anatomy, physiology, pharmacy, pathology, forensic medicine, surgery, OBG, Mater Medica, and organ of medicine. Next, the continued medical education. We have conducted 7 CME programs in the past academic year. 11/9/2023, Dr. N.A. Jaikumar, MD, PhD, discussion on comparison of homeopathic medicine and miraculous cures in incurable diseases in homeopathy. Next, 29/8/2024, Dr. R.D. Paulan, MD, Homeopathy Psychology, he presented principles of prescription in homeopathy. Next, 9th of October 2024, Dr. G. Nagendra Babu, MD, Homeopathy, he 14/12/2024, Dr. Muzassir Mullah, MD, Homeopathy, Hope for Hopeless Cases in Pediatric Age Group. 25/1/2025, Dr. T. Sembardi, MD, Homeo, and ascertain in restoring the immedicable in the Hahnemannian way. 10/2/2025, Dr. R. Pavalan is taken essential of pharmacovigilance. 19/3/2025, Dr. Ramlal Gupta on homeopathic nuclear science in electrical energy. We have conducted communication and skill development for students and faculties on 26th April 2024 under the guidance of Mr. Karthik Rangarajan. Our students have attended 13 RISE webinars conducted by Central Council of Research in Homeopathy. Myself, Dr. Sanmadivel, Dr. Smita, along with first BHM students, 2023-24 batch, participated in World Homeopathic Day 2024, celebrated at conference organized by CCRH and NIH in New Delhi. Next, myself, Dr. Sanmadivel, Dr. Prasanna Devi, Dr. Hema Suresh, participated in World Homeopathic Day 2025, celebration conference organized by CCRH and NIH in Gujarat. Next, Professor Dr. Santosh, Head of the Department of Anatomy, is appointed as a chairperson of RVS HMC for competency-based dynamic curriculum under National Commission of Homeopathy. As well as he appointed nodal officer of IQAC under National Commission of Homeopathy. As well as appointed as a chief superintendent of examination in Dr. Tamil Nadu Medical University. Professor Dr. Sanmadivel, case taking and repertory, is appointed as a nodal officer of anti-racking unit for RVS HMC under National Commission of Homeopathy. Professor Dr. Prasanna Devi, Head of the Department of OBG, appointed as a doctoral committee external member for PhD scholars, Homeopathy in Vinay Mission Research Foundation, Salem. presented a paper, World Homeopathic Day 2025 conference organized by CCRH and NIH, Gujarat on 11th April 2025. Participated in training program for competency-based dynamic curriculum for first BHMS by Homeopathic Education Board for Homeopathy in Bangalore, July 2024. Professor Dr. Karthikeyan, Head of the Department of Community Medicine, appointed as a doctoral committee external member for PhD scholars, Homeopathy in Vinayak Method Research Foundation, Salem. Speaker for the online live webinar in Homeopathy 360 of B-Chain Publishers. Topic mental health and drug abuse on 18/1/2025. Published in the article also. The Homeopathic heritage and experimental non-transmitted study of Rauwolfia serpentina mother tincture on essential hypertension, October 2024. Homeopathic President Monsoonal disease, a preventive approach, September 2024. Wrote the following articles on Homeopathy, 360 e-journals, an overview of coffee and homeopathy, prospective study on irritable bowel syndrome occurring in adult, historical evidence of homeopathic prophylactic usage in epidemics and pandemics, food adulteration. He participated in training program for competency-based dynamic curriculum for BHMS by Homeopathy Education Board, National Commission of Homeopathy in Bangalore, July 2024. Professor Dr. Hema Suresh, Head of the Department of Forensic Medicine, is appointed as a nodal officer of Internal Complaints Committee for RVHMC under National Commission for Homeopathy. He presented paper. He got second prize for presentation, Efficacy of Homeopathy in Treating Diabetic Foot Ulcer in National Seminar, Salvaria, organized by White Memorial Homeopathy Medical College, Attur, Kanyakumari on 12/3/2025. Presented on scope of homeopathy in diabetic foot ulcer, a case report in National Scientific Seminar, PDCAN 25 on 27/4/2025, organized by Indian Homeopathic Medical Association, Palakkad, Kerala. Surgeon's knife in surgical cases, International Conference on Reliable Evidence-Based Repertories for Homeopathy Practice on 28/7/2024, organized by Sara Krishna Homeopathy Medical College, Kulasagaram. Participated in training program for competency-based dynamic curriculum for BHMS by Homeopathic Education Board, National Commission of Homeopathy, Bangalore, July 2024. Professor Dr. Samrat, Head of the Department of Ordinary Medicine, Homeopathic Philosophy, appointed as a doctoral advisory committee member for PhD scholar Homeopathy in Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai. Appointed as a doctoral committee external member for PhD scholars Homeopathy in Vinayak Method Research Foundation, Salem. Appointed as a question paper setter, examiner for PhD scholar Homeopathy in Yenapoya University, Bangalore. He was awarded first place for presentation, Individualized Homeopathic Management of Fistula in Yano, a case report in Scientific Convention on Homeopathic South Zone 2023, organized by Central Council Research in Homeopathy, Ministry of Ayush in Kerala on 17/11/2023. Resource person on the topic Pathological Perspective through the Length of Homeopathic Philosophy, conducted by Government Homeopathy Medical College Hospital, Tirumangalam, Madurai on 2/3/2024. Invited speaker in the National Homeopathic Seminar, catalyzed on the topic Benefits of Homeopathy in Deep Pathology with case examples, organized by Vidivelli Homeopathic Hospital, Tirunelveli on 13/7/2024 and 14/7/2024. Presented a paper, Individualized Homeopathic Management of Interspecific and Horse of Fistula in Yano, a case report in International Conference, Reliable Evidence-Based Repertories for Homeopathic Practice, organized by Sara Krishna Homeopathy Medical College, Kanyakumari on 27/7/2024. Resource person on the topic Introduction to the Homeopathy, a holistic system of medicine, to the MBBS house surgeons of Kovai Medical College and Hospital, Coimbatore on 27th August 2024, 22nd November 2024, 21st February 2025. Invited speaker for faculty development program on the topic Innovative and Energetic Teaching Methods in Medical Education, conducted by RVS Siddha Medical College and Hospital, Coimbatore on 29/2024. Resource person on the topic Importance of Temperament in Homeopathy, conducted by Government Homeopathy Medical College Hospital, Tirumangalam, Madurai on 18/10/2024. Presented a paper, individualized homeopathic management of acute appendicitis and renal calculi with phosphorus Q potency. A case report in ACE International Homeopathic Conference organized by IHA Trivandrum on 1/12/2024. Participated in training program for competency-based dynamic curriculum for BHMS by Homeopathy Education Board National Commission on Homeopathy in Bangalore, July 2024. Appointed as a judge for the undergraduate student paper presentation session on the International Homeopathy Conference on 14 February 2025, organized by Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical City, Chennai. He published articles, Chinese journals of evidence-based medicine, holistic healing, homeopathic strategies for osteoarthritis relief, March 2024, Scopus Indexed, Q4 peer reviewed. In oncology, radiotherapy, displaying diagnosis, bacterial microbial imbalance in oral mucosal dysplasia and oral cancer 2024, Scopus Index Q4 peer reviewed. In Southeastern European Journal of Public Health, comparative evaluation of Chiananthus potencies in homeopathic management of gallbladder stone, a randomized clinical study, January 2025, Scopus Index peer reviewed. Dr. Ilayaraja, head of the Department of Pathology, is appointed as a nodal officer of University Management Information System and Extended Technology Acceptance Model, Unit 4, under Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical City, Chennai. He is a member of Board of Studies, Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical City, Chennai. Participated in training program for competency-based dynamic curriculum for BHMS by Homeopathy Education Board National Commission on Homeopathy in Bangalore, July 2024. Professor Dr. Franklin Gino, Department of Mathematics, presented a paper in International Conference on Reliable Evidence-Based Repertories for Homeopathy Practice, organized by Sarakrishna Homeopathy Medical College, Kanyakumari, 27/7/2024. Moderator for the session and also presented a paper in ACE International Homeopathy Conference, organized by IHA Trivandrum on 1/12/2024. Invited speaker for CME, organized by IHMA Coimbatore Chapter on 8th December 2024. Participated in training program for competency-based dynamic curriculum for PHMS by Homeopathy Education Board National Commission for Homeopathy in Bangalore, July 2024. Next, Professor Dr. Sakti, Department of Case Taking and Repertory, published article in Chinese Journal of Evidence-Based Medicine, Holistic Healing, Homeopathic Strategies for Osteoarthritis Relief, March 2024, Scopus Index, Q4 peer reviewed. Presented a paper, a clinical utility of BPCR by Boger in a pain management of knee OA, assessed by Kuskor, and International Conference on Reliable Evidence-Based Repertories for Homeopathic Practice, organized by Sarakrishna Homeopathy Medical College, Kanyakumari, on 27/7/2024. Presented a paper, a clinical utility of BPCR by Boger in the pain management of knee OA, assessed by Kuskor, in International Homeopathy Conference 2025, organized by Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical City, Chennai, 14/12/2025. Dr. Sumita, Associate Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine, is appointed as a nodal officer of Swachhta Seva for RVSHMC under Government of India. He is appointed as a member of Internal Complaints Committee and Women Empowerment Committee for RVSHMC under National Commission of Homeopathy. Presented a research paper in International Homeopathy Conference 2025, organized by Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical City, Chennai, on 14/12/2025. Dr. Genesis, Associate Professor, Department of Case Taking and Repertory, is appointed as a nodal officer of Aadhaar-enabled biometric attendance system for RVSHMC under National Commission of Homeopathy. She published an article in Homeopathy, The Front of Health, the care series in hypothyroidism with eliminating rubric as special method using synthesis repertory as a tool, July 2024. In Journal of Complementary Medicine Research, Evaluation of Homeopathic Remedies in the Management of PCOD, a retrospective analysis, September 2024. In Journal of Complementary Medicine Research, examining the efficacy of homeopathic treatment in common female gynecological disorder, a retrospective study, November 2024. Presented a paper on case series in hypothyroidism with eliminating rubric as special method using synthesis repertory as a tool, an international conference on reliable evidence-based repertories for homeopathy practice, organized by Sarakrishna Homeopathy Medical College, Kanyakumari, 27 July 2024. Participate in training program for competency-based dynamic curriculum for PHMS by Homeopathy Education for National Commission of Homeopathy in Bangalore, July 2024. Dr. Silpa, Associate Professor, Department of Practice of Medicine, presented a paper in AC International Homeopathy Conference organized by IHA Trivandrum on 1/12/2024. Dr. V.M. Suridi, Associate Professor, Department of OBG, presented a paper, Homeopathic Approach to the Management of Hemorrhoids, Efficacy, Treatment Modalities, Patient Outcome, a Case Report in ACE International Homeopathy Conference organized by IHA Trivandrum on 30/11/2024. Presented a paper, Homeopathic Strategies in Effective Management of Hemorrhoids, a case study, at International Homeopathy Conference on 14th February 2025, organized by Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai. Dr. J. Kadiravan, Associate Professor, Department of Organ Medicine and Homeopathic Philosophy, Homeopathic Intervention for Managing Small Vessel Vasculitis in Primary Care, the AC 2K24 International Homeopathy Conference on Innovation for Integration of Homeopathy in Primary Health Care, organized by IHA Kattakadu Unit, Trivandrum, 1st December 2024. Exploring the role of miasm in the treatment of attention deficient hyperactivity disorder, International Homeopathy Conference 2025, organized by Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai on 14/12/2025. Integrating Psychotherapy in Homeopathic Practice, the Alumni Lecture Series, Vinayamasan Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Salem on 7/3/2025. Dr. Arjun B. Raj, Associate Professor, Department of Surgery, participated in training program for competency-based dynamic curriculum BHMS by Education for National Commission of Homeopathy in Bangalore, July 2024. Mr. S.V. Rajeshwari, Clinical Lab Technician, RUHMC Hospital, has completed BSc Yoga in December 2023. Dear students, you are the heartbeat of this institution. Your curiosity, perseverance, and compassion inspire us all. Each day, you step into our classroom, clinics, and labs with a commitment to learn, to grow, and to make a difference in the world of healthcare. Your achievement, both academics and extracurricular activities, continue to make us proud. Short-term studentship in homeopathy, STSH, CC Garage approved. The STSH research by students, Mr. Ifat and Mr. Sudarsani, guided by Professor Dr. Prasanna Devi, Mr. Kaviya, guided by Dr. Franklin, Meenachi, guided by Dr. Kadiravan, Sumia Begum, guided by Dr. Anjalan Jabab. Fourth BHMS seniors, Logadarsani, published an article in Vital Farmer, November 2023, on the topic muscular dystrophy and its homeopathic management under the guidelines of Professor Dr. Samran. Amatul Sabut, a poster presentation, Utility of Synthesis Repertory in Managing of Small Vessel Vasculitis in International Conference conducted by Sarakshana Homeopathy Medical Kanyakumari on 27 July 2024 under the guidance of Dr. Kadiravan. Nazira Fatima, poster presentation, Utility of Synthesis Repertory in Management of Thiomegaly in International Conference conducted by Sarakshana Homeopathy Medical Kanyakumari 27 July 2024 under the guidance of Dr. Kadiravan. Nazira Fatima published an article in Vital Informer, December 2024, on the topic Epilepsy and its homeopathic management under the guidelines of Professor Dr. Samran. Oral presentation, National Homeopathic Conference in Madurai on 15th December 2024 under the guidance of Dr. Samran. Jessima Parveen, Homeopathic Management, Ramsey-Hunt Syndrome. Pusparaja Sri, Homeopathic Management of Typhoid, a case study. Vasima with Homeopathy Urolithiasis, a case study. Fourth BHMS juniors, Mrs. Aparna allegation, published article Homeocan on Monsoonal Disease Preventive Approach, September 2024 under the guidelines of Dr. Karthikeyan. Poster presentation, Role of Artificial Intelligence in Revolutionizing Homeopathic World in ICISR, Sarakshana Homeopathy Medical College, Kanyakumari, 28 July 2024. So, Priti Ennam, presentation, Incorporation of Data Analytics in Homeopathy, ICDR, SKHMC Kanyakumari, 28 July 2024. Agro Homeopathy, a person needed International Homeopathy Conference at Dr. MGR Medical School, Chennai, 14th to 2025. Priyadarshini, poster person, impact of genetics on hypothyroidism. ICCR, SKFG, Saras Medical College, Kanyakumari, 28 July 2024. Sumaya Begum published an article in Vital Informer under the guidance of Silpa, Department of Practice of Medicine. August 2024, role of homeopathy in the management of bruise and shoulder. September 2024, homeopathic management of diabetes mellitus. December 2024, role of homeopathy in the management of PCOS. Poster presentation under guidance of Dr. J. Kadiravan, evaluating the efficacy of homeopathic intervention in Hashimoto's thyroiditis, a case study, ICCR, SAHMC, Kanyakumari on 28 July 2024. Decoding psoriasis with the Kentrapatri, a case study, International Homeopathic Conference, Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai, 14 February 2025. Meenachi PV have received a RVS Excellence Award on 26 April 2025. K. Kanishka, first BHMS Senior, Ilam Bachelor Award on topic Chedipati Oru Nedipati Book Fair Festival, Ramanathapuram District on February 2024. Poem recitation on topic Breath of Independence in Ramanathapuram District on Independence Day 2024. Speech on topic Save the Environment, organized by Eco Club and Green Environment Tirupur in 2025. Our commitment to patient care is unwavering. Our hospital and clinics have not only served as a center of medical excellence, but also as a pillar of support for our communities. We have continuously worked towards providing the best care and treatment to those in need. Our community outreach initiatives have made a tangible difference in the lives of many. Our medical camp, health education program, and outreach clinics have brought health care closer to those who need it the most. We have reopened peripheral outpatient department, adopting 7 villages, Kadambadi, Muthukaundanpudur, Karigambalayam, Karanambettai, Kannambalayam, Sengarai, and Sauribalayam. We have conducted 15 free medical camps in around Sulur in last 1.5 years. We have a memorandum of understanding with a multi-specialty hospital for teaching students on basis of conventional medicine. Ponni Hospital, Palladam, Sheila Hospital, Coimbatore, Sri Siva Hospital, Coimbatore, PHC, Palladam. Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, the first BHMS student visited Pharmacopoeia Laboratory, Ghaziabad, and Dr. Wilmer Sobe, India Pharmaceutical, Noida on March 2024. 21-1-2025, primary healthcare visit of final year student. 19-2025, industrial visit of final year student to water purification center below William Kade. 11-3-2025, tuberculosis elimination drive rally is conducted along with the Somanur tuberculosis unit. Our alumni association had organized the Tamil Nadu Homeopathic Premier League cricket tournament. 13 teams comprising the homeopathic doctors from different parts of Tamil Nadu participated on 28th April 2024. PhD doctors, our faculties, Dr. Prasanna Devi, Dr. Karthikeyan, Dr. Samaran, Dr. Ilayaraja, PhD doctors, we are happy to say that ours is the only college in Tamil Nadu. We have 4 PhD doctors. 6 faculties have Professor Hema Suresh, Professor Fralin Jano, Professor Sakti, Genesis, Bharatadari, and Kadiran are pursuing their PhD. NEET test, NEET teachers eligibility test. Professor Dr. Samaran, Dr. Kadiravan, Dr. Arun Jyoti has passed the National Teachers Eligibility Test conducted by National Testing Agency, Government of India on 13th November 2024. But as they celebrate our achievement, we must not forget that there is still much work to be done. The field of medicine is ever evolving and we must keep pace with the changes, striving for the best patient care, the most innovative research, and the most inclusive community engagement. I would like to thank our students who are the future of his noble profession, for choosing his path and for their unwavering commitment. I commend our faculty and staff for their dedication and hard work, and I extend my gratitude to our alumni who to continue to be an ambassador of institution, making us proud with their accomplishments. On this college day, let us reaffirm our commitment to excellence, empathy, and progress. Let us look forward to the future where our institution continues to set benchmarks for medical education, healthcare, and research. On this college day, let us reaffirm our commitment to excellence, empathy, and progress. Let us look forward to future where our institution continues to benchmark of medical education, healthcare, and research. Thank you all of being part of the celebration. Together, we will continue to make positive impact on the world of homeopathic medicine, and together we will write brighter and healthcare future. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you.